A used bus can meet the required seat count and still fail the route. The real risk lies in assigning a vehicle before confirming how its transmission, emission status, cabin layout, maintenance needs, and current condition align with the service it must operate. Intercity routes generally involve longer distances, fewer stops, and more time at cruising speed than dense city services. City buses often prioritize low-floor access, rapid boarding, and repeated stop-start operation. Intercity work can place greater emphasis on seating, luggage arrangements, thermal comfort, powertrain endurance, and timetable reliability. Staff commuting and tourist transfers introduce different requirements again, so the category label alone does not establish suitability. Capacity should be assessed against actual passenger records. A 48-seat layout may provide useful reserve when typical demand is lower, but regular demand above that capacity could require additional departures, a larger vehicle, or a different service pattern. Boarding conditions and luggage needs also matter. Seats create value only when passengers can enter, move through the cabin, and travel comfortably throughout the duty cycle. Consider an 11-meter used bus configured with 48 seats and a 2x2 layout. A 6-cylinder YCK0831060 6-liter diesel engine, manual transmission, stated Euro 6 status, disc brakes with ABS, emergency equipment, and a 1-year warranty. This is an identifiable starting profile, not a complete procurement case. Manual transmission directly affects driver deployment and maintenance. Drivers need to manage gradients, stop-start traffic, changing road surfaces, and a fully loaded vehicle. Where manual buses are already familiar, the configuration may align with existing training and workshop practices. Where driver turnover is high or manual experience is limited, an automatic alternative may reduce training pressure. The decision depends on the people operating and maintaining the bus every week. The engine designation also provides a basis for checking support, but it does not prove local parts availability. Filters, belts, clutch components, brake parts, electrical items, diagnostic assistance, and qualified labor should all be confirmed before assigning the vehicle to a route with limited recovery options. Gradients, payload, congestion, idling, fuel quality, climate, and workshop coverage must be mapped because the listed powertrain does not establish fuel consumption or hill climbing performance on a specific corridor. Euro 6 requires the same evidence-led discipline. A stated emissions category should be treated as a prompt for verification, not automatic proof of route access or registration eligibility. The buyer should obtain the emissions certificate, vehicle and engine identity records, the applicable test basis, and confirmation of destination market requirements. The exhaust after-treatment system must also be inspected. A vehicle can carry the correct design classification while still requiring mechanical work before deployment. Current condition is especially important when comparing a used intercity bus with used city buses. Inspect the brakes, ABS warning behavior, tires, lighting, emergency exits, extinguishers, handrails, driver controls, aisle, seats, flooring, and heating and ventilation. Current photographs should include the exterior, roof, underside, engine bay, dashboard, cabin, tires, and storage areas. Cold start and braking footage can add context, but it cannot replace an independent physical inspection. The final comparison should normalize every candidate into the same fields: route fit, passenger capacity, emissions evidence, driver readiness, maintenance support, safety condition, service history, warranty scope, landed cost, and downtime exposure. Mileage, chassis identity, repair history, shipping terms, and warranty exclusions remain essential open questions. Approval should follow only when the route, documents, drivers, workshop, parts network, and recovery plan support the same conclusion. That turns a promising specification into a defensible operating decision.